first.
Bullfighting's popularity has fallen recently, but events are still held across Spain and Latin America.
And finally, the curtain has been drawn on the 30th annual Claim Karoo National Arts Festival in Oudtshoorn in the Western Cape. Organizers and longtime supporters have hailed it as a success for the arts and the rural town. Kens Onderbeck, CEO, Rode Snyman rather.
It was always a pleasure to be involved with this festival because it was such a huge economic input for Oudtshoorn. But then when COVID came and the festival was not a given in Oudtshoorn anymore, I think what is one of the most heartwarming things about this festival is how it brought this community together, the community of Oudtshoorn, and how they fought for it to keep it here.
Recapping the top story this hour, the BMA believes that additional passengers may have boarded the bus after it was intercepted at the Bait Bridge, a port of entry on the Zimbabwean border. For Metro FM News, I am Paulette Now.
SABC News, independent and impartial.
DJ Small, Zindenix, School Share, 031 Chopper, and Uncool MC, Zep. Musician, Ricky Legnora, DJ Maforisa, Bulela Mawike, Mark Koza, Angega Babuyi MC, Malacosta. Good Flavor, Master KG, and Emo, Yishutei. Shangesh and Muzzle, Studa or Slender. Umafiki Zolo, uyomnengwa unyogo.
To vote, dial *120 *45787 hash. USSD rates charged at $1.50 per minute.
Who do you think?
Metro FM, it's where you want to be. T's and C's apply. Welcome to the Home Run Hour. It's not for the
first Sunday of April. If you are celebrating your birthday today, the 5th of April, well, happy birthday to you. It's all about you today. 086 000 2160. After the break, Chris Walker coming up with a song that's called Teach Me How to Dream. He teamed up with the likes of David Foster on this one. Is taken from the motion picture soundtrack of the movie One Life to Live.
The Metro FM Music Awards 2026, hosted by the City of Durban and proudly sponsored by Momo Seabear Foundation.
Because we are about to give us an award.
Metro FM, it's where you want to be.
The winner. Who do you think?
Can you is your girl Shantae Moore, and you're listening to the romantic repertoire with Sinclair, the man behind the jazz, only on Metro FM.